हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि जो ट्रिपल आईटी प्रेप के जो कोर्सेज होते हैं, राइट, जो हम क्रैश कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उसे एक्सेस कैसे करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग इज क्वाइट सिंपल। जो सारे क्रैश कोर्सेज हैं हमारे, वो courses.iitprep.com इस वेबसाइट पे होते हैं। यू जस्ट नीड टू ओपन दिस वेबसाइट courses.iitprep.com। इसी वेबसाइट से यू कैन परचेज द कोर्स एंड यू कैन एक्सेस द कोर्स, राइट। क्वाइट सिंपल। Okay, so after login, let's discuss what are the things that you need to do. Let's suppose these are the few courses that are available for the UGEE and IIIT exam. If you want to enroll, you just click on that course, you open that page. Let's suppose I'm opening this page. So this is a crash course plus mock test series combo, right? So currently this is an enroll course, so you are getting continue to lesson. If you haven't purchased this course, you will get a button here as enroll now. Okay, so that button will be used for you to enroll in that crash course. But now for this crash course plus mock test series and interview support combo package, the course has been already purchased. So you just can click on this continue to lesson, and that's how the entire course will be opening, right? So the first video is how to access mock test. So we have this Q&A session where the student can directly discuss with the faculty members. Then we have these lectures sort of thing, where what you can do is you can see all the lectures are there. Let's suppose PNs is there, then you can see the concept lectures, then normal lectures, then beginner quiz, and advanced quiz, and solution. All things are available here, right? Right, from so same goes for reap as well. Coding, decoding, you have data interpretation, you have quite detail. Or linguistics, you have linguistics around 7 lectures you have. Then PYQ information, strategy, other live doubt solving sessions will be here. What things to skip, so everything is being planned here, right? So you don't need to do anything. You just need to focus on your preparation and follow the crash course. Quite simple. Then you get the PDF lecture notes here as well. Whatever the doubts are there, whatever comment you have, so you can put in here. So our faculties are going to answer those doubts there, and that's it. So this is for the courses. What are the courses that you want? You just need to go on to this website courses.iitprep.com. Okay, and you can access the courses. Okay, there are multiple things. So if you purchase this crash course, you will getting the mock test along with it completely for free. And if you just purchase this crash course was only combo, you need to purchase the mock test separately. One thing about that is those who have purchased the books, they will be getting discount onto the mock test series. So you just need to open exam.iitprep.com. This is for mock test series, right? So even though you have purchased the crash course from the courses.iitprep.com website, you can access the web course from courses.iitprep website, right? But for mock, you just need to log in on exam.iitprep.com. Please bookmark these two links, courses.iitprep.com and exam.iitprep.com. And here you just click on login to mock test. And here you enter the same mobile number from which you purchase, and you can access the mock test series on the exam.iitprep.com. Okay. If you have purchased the book and you don't have the mock test series, if you are planning to purchase a mock test series, you just hit on book purchase a discount. So those students who are having the book will be getting an additional discount onto the mock test series, because you are already a part of IIIT prep team, and we want that you should be getting the benefit and advantages of the mock test. You just click here and you can avail the discount by entering your order details here. Okay, and the next thing is, if you if you haven't purchased your mock test series yet and you want to purchase, the best thing is this: go with the book, purchase the book first, and then purchase the mock test series. You will be getting discount and it will be affordable for you. But still, if you are restricted, you don't want to go with the book, you only want to go with the mock test, you just click on purchase mock test and you can proceed with the payment and all. Okay, so this is what the thing is regarding the mock test portal and the crash courses portal, right? So this is the website courses.iitprep.com, where you can access all the crash courses. So let's suppose you had the UGEE exam, then only UGEE related courses will be available to you. So this is a mock test. You need to purchase from here, but you need to log in at exam.iitprep.com. Okay, that's it. Quite simple. Now, one thing that we would like to note all the student is just open register.iitprep.com. Here, enter your mobile number and just register yourself for the updates, for the free updates that you will be getting, and the free PDFs and study material. This is completely free for all, and you will be getting updates regarding the changes in the UGW exam, the admit card release, any dates, any correction, the interview dates, everything you'll be notified. Just hit on register.iitprep.com and register yourself. Okay, that's it. Hope all your doubts has been resolved. If you face any issue at all, you just need to do one thing, right? You just need to email our team at support at the rate. So the web link is support at IIITprep.com. So this is our official email ID. You just need to basically mail our team the issue and they will get it fixed for you. Okay. So if you face any issue, you just reach out to support at IIITprep.com. And to access the courses, open the courses.iitprep.com. To access the mock test series, open the exam.iitprep.com. Okay, quite simple. And that's it. Thank you.